all my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing.
Video lishaanza. Tuanze upya. Hey guys, this is Wilma. Nani huyu? Kama niko wapi? Have you ever seen this girl? Kama niko wapi? Have you ever seen this girl in any video? Ni mimi. Hi guys. Tuko hapa tuna chill and we are rubbing the environment. It's very rubbing. Aya, bye guys. Treasure. Hi guys.
Until the night is over, I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now.
Hello tribe, welcome back to my YouTube channel for yet another vlog. It's your girl Pav, and if you're a new subscriber, karibu sana, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and I really appreciate you all for watching this video. And that being said, I really have a lot to share, but I don't sijui kama niko na the time. Anyway, nilisema no rushing to this video. Anyway, so today we are going, me and my friends, we are going to Ololua. Yeah, if it is in Karen, if you guys know, you know. Yeah, so I don't know. Hopefully the weather won't disappoint us at this point because naiona. Hopefully kusinyeshe. And that being said, I really want to take you guys together with me. So finally, nitawa introduce to my friends. Wale wanahoma pale comment section. Yeah, so yeah, okay, what should I do? Let me pack my bag as I tell you how my week was, because I know this week I haven't vlogged. Yeah, since the last video I posted, I guess it was on Saturday or Friday. So since then I haven't vlogged. Yeah, and vitu mingi zimetendeka. I went to a certain salon. Is it a salon? I went to a certain, yeah, it is a salon, and let me say a nail shop. A salon combined with a nail shop. Huku tu. So, si nimeenda nilikuwa naenda kuulizia a certain type of nail, acrylics. So nilikuwa nimeenda kuulizia acrylics. So si nimeenda nikauliza vizuri, sasa nile the lady was ignoring me. Nika feel like, see, I'm also a client, I'm also inquiring. Maybe hata unajua naweza taka kutengenezwa sahi. She ignored me, and I was like, okay, unaniignore ni sawa. Then I said like, acha niende nitarudi baadaye. Sasa ile acha niende nitarudi baadaye venye amesikia kana customer anaenda. So what I had to do ni nimeamka naenda, and then kuna this worker bado huwa hapo tu, alikuwa I guess let me just call it an accident. Alikuwa ameamka anaenda to a certain seat hapo mbele yangu. Sasa ni ile ameenda hapo, mimi natoka, si on my way. Sasa si yako hapa, mimi natoka hivi. Sasa akakuja akabump into me. Guess what? I dropped my phone na screen ikapasuka. Then I was like, first reaction yangu ilikuwa tu like, screen imetoka hadi imeanguka hadi imetoka to a point yenye imeseparatiwa. Kuna hii stuff inaitwa motherboard. So the motherboard iko on this side, the screen iko on this side. Aki, it was so painful. So sasa nile nakutanisha pamoja kuona kama itawaka. Screen ni black. And then the lady was not even ready to apologize. She was like, Kai imeanguka. Oh, Kai. Yo, no one umebump into me. Alafu hata una sorry. Anyway, so me as a let me call yeah, me as a Christian, I just had to pick my phone and walk away because sasa ningefanya nini past hapo? What else could I have done past hapo? Imeanguka, yes, imeanguka, break. What else can I do? Nothing. You just pick your phone, go. Sasa nile, I really wanted to cry, but sasa nile pia nikapatana na a friend of mine on my way. Sasa nile pia alikuwa like, usilie vitu, simu ni mambo ya dunia. Kai, unaniambia simu ni mambo ya dunia? The pain. Anyways, let me now go because nangojwa. At least today sitabeba ile bag yangu moja, so this is the bag. I don't know, I feel like I need to carry water, but at the same time na feel kama na kuna baridi na so Mr. Beba rafiki yangu atanibebea maji. Anyway, so guys, tuonaneni wapi? Tuonaneni mbele. Nawapenda. Yeah, so baby, I forgot to introduce. Nitawaonyesha mbele my hair. The hair at least nimejaribu kupaka mafuta and a hairspray na nikalei edges so isikae imechapa sana. And then this amazing earrings nye haitokangi kwa masikio yangu. This top that I bought it at Koja. The bag Koja bado. The trouser nitawaonyesha mbele plus the shoes because my mirror ilivunjika, so I don't have anything to show you guys my outfit. So yeah, nitawaonyesha mbele. So yeah, this is the part of my outfit. Yeah, Vans, this mummy jeans, and the sweater from Koja, and with my hair stylist. I don't know, I'm in love with this outfit. Yeah. Hopefully, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Any subscriber here, hit that subscribe button and leave a follow, like, comment, and do what? Share. Yes, share.
Hi everyone, I'm Pavel's friend, but I'm in Kasipikala. Ilikuwa minute fulani, ilikuwa more of a surprise, but yeah, it was more of a surprise, but it was surprise binasawingi everything and everywhere. So when you wanna come out, and it was good cake, but sana share, and you watch it to the end. It will be amazing.
I know get time, I cover my face, calling me biggie man with.
Hi guys.
What's it go? All depends. The cash, ride I go fit, die for nothing. What's it go? All depends. The cash, ride I no fit, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take me to my way. Plenty survive with this, just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want.
Hey guys, this is Wilma. I'm Pavel's best friend.
Ebu wana ni huyu. Kama niko wapi?
Have you ever seen this girl
Kama
in any
niko wapi?
video? Have you ever seen this girl in any video? Ni mimi guys.
Hi guys. Tuko hapa tuna chill and we are loving the environment. It's very rubbish. Aya, bye bye. Treasure connection.
Alex.
Jisitaki kuanguka.
Balance is in your ears, not your hands. Love more than as you can see, is it? A man wearing expensive feet. Genuinely, to Kojago. No, I'm telling you. When watching my thoughts, why are you telling them off?
We're ripping there.
Ain't this what you came to see? Let me be your muse. I'll inspire you in ways you won't believe. 50 shades and you.
Inakaa vizuri.
Go with your hands, can you bring my body? Go ahead and push up on me. Baby, when you want it, when you got it.
Lakini uso tunakaa vizuri kabisa mimi. Kadhani